To assign a program to a client that has been partially mastered on paper, go to the Manage Programs page and select your client's programming list. Select Add Program to List and select the appropriate list. Select the program you wish to assign from the program catalog. Begin assigning the program as you normally would by selecting your targets, in the Parameters tab, select Probe from the Data Type drop-down list. Set criteria for mastery to 100% over one consecutive session. Set the number of concurrent targets to the same number of targets in the program, and set concurrent trials to 1. From the main menu, select Run Program and run the program you just assigned. In the data collection page, select plus for each target that has already been mastered and minus for each target that is yet to be learned. Then select Record Data. Return to the Manage Programs page for the client. And edit the configuration for that program. Decrease the number of concurrent targets to the number of targets you would like the client to learn at a time. And increase the number of concurrent trials to the number of times per session that you would like the client to practice the skill. Adjust the number of sessions across which you would like mastery to occur, and click Store Changes. Return to the client's Manage Programs page and configure target maintenance for the program in question. The next time that the program is run, the mastered targets will appear under the Maintenance tab.